So Mike just flew into a tree, and we're gonna test out our new drone recovery system from Big 5. Costs about 15 bucks. So stick with it. We'll see how it works. You guys will probably notice that the quad stuck in the tree really wasn't that high, and it probably could have been recovered with something like a pole or even throwing something at it. This was just an example video of how the system works, and we have used this system to successfully recover drones in trees much higher, up to 60 feet on one of them. But like I said, this is just an example of how it works, and the line that we use is 40-pound test, and it is perfectly capable of bending a branch without breaking. Anyways, hope you guys enjoy the video. Peace. All right, we got some fishing weights here. Those were about $1.50, and we got a Marksman wrist rocket, which was $8, I think, $8-9, and then we got a spool of 40-pound test line. So what we're gonna do is tie the string to the weight and shoot it over the branch, and hopefully get this quad out of a tree. So what I like to do is the same knot that you use when you're tying on a lure or a hook to a fishing line, which is a 1 through, 2 through, twist it, and then bring this line through here, and then you pull. Here we go. Alright, now we're going to shoot this over the branch, and hopefully I get it on the first try, second try, who knows. Let's find out. Alright. Alright, you always want the line in front of you and enough to go over and back down, because you don't want to take your finger off or have this thing snap back and hit you in the head. So let's see if we have enough line here. Alright, here, check it out. You take this and you have the line hanging out away from your body and all the line extended out in front of you. And then we'll do a couple of test shots. So make sure your hand's not wrapped up in the line and it's in front of you and out of the way. So we're going to try to put it over the branch. All right. It's there. It might not be. See it up there? It might be too far on the edge, and I might have to shoot it up there again, but then we just take it and hold down. See? All right, we'll try that one more time.
Take two.
Take two. That might be the trick.
It's a dangler.
There we go. If we come from this angle, we're pulling back on it. Ready?
Nice. And the catch is good.
That's how we do it.
Stop recording.
Drone recovery system. Under 20 bucks at Big 5. Works.